Well guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I am at a Prince George truck show. I know, I'm not working on trucks this Saturday, but check it out. It is light show time. I actually brought Low and Slow out, and I brought Kenny too. So, although Kenny did do me a dirty, the rear end filter started leaking, so it's probably rusted through. So I picked up a new rear end filter and I'll fix it tomorrow. But check out these trucks, just freaking awesome. These 25th anniversary trucks and this old Mac. But first, I'm gonna fire up Low and Slow because her batteries ain't that big. Then maybe we'll let her bark a little bit. But now she's straight pipe. She's got a little bit of a bark. Yeah. There she is. There's Kenny. Nothing sweeter than having two Cabovers. Yeah. There we go. Got the lights on the old Chevy. On the old heavy Chevy. Got Grant's truck with JF logging. We've seen this one in a previous video. Check out this old Mac, 58 Mac. Just absolutely beautiful. Very pretty. Got another JF truck over here. But these 25th anniversary trucks, these are just awesome. Absolutely awesome. I mean, yeah. Like, yeah. '25th anniversary conventional. Got all the hidden LEDs in red because, well, I mean, is there a better color? No. Look at how clean it is. Like, just so clean. Check out that W9 that's all blue. And this Freightliner. Seen this one before. It's got a Detroit in it as well. And a big stereo. Super cool. Yeah, buddy. Got a couple old LWs here. Got some more Cabovers over there. Not too shabby. Not too shababby-babby. Another Kenworth. We got Chemo's gravel truck. Got Chester's truck up here. Oh yeah, it's another JF truck, the red one. We got Chester's truck here. Yeah, buddy. Looks good. Flying pig. That's what dreams are made of. Yeah. Peterbilt my key tag. You know, Peterbilt. There's only one king. That's true. And we got some more trucks over there. But I think I want to go rev up Kenny a little bit. Well, maybe not Kenny, but Low and Slow. See if she'll bark a little bit. I know, I'm crazy, but you know, it happens. Well, good morning, guys. I didn't do a very good job last night, I don't think. I don't know if I did or not. Little hoarse from talking to people. But Kenny and Low and Slow are not looking too bad. But Kenny has an issue, and I can't remember if I mentioned it yesterday or not, but the input seal or the filter, I thought it was the filter, but I don't think it's the filter, are leaking like a sieve. Made a bit of a mess. So yeah, down there it made a hot mess, and that's really frustrating. Oh, I gotta sneeze. So that's really annoying. But the back end of Kenny is not long for this world. Yeah, since we got that clip, we're gonna cut the back end off. And I mean, if you watched the video on my other channel, and I'm probably said it already, but I took the deck off to put on the 47. So that looks like where it belongs. But look at the rust jacking on Kenny. Like, it's bad. So bad. But yeah, these diffs, you know, you look at how it's patched together, they're done. So I don't think we'll be taking Kenny to town anymore. We just got to get him home and start stretching him this winter. So that's what we're gonna do. But Low and Slow's looking good. I was making Low and Slow bark last night. I was, you know, maybe a little bit of a 2-year-old. Well, maybe not a 2-year-old, but I was being a kid. That's what I was being. And it was pretty fun. So, but daylight on these trucks, they're looking pretty fly. That's pretty cool, the central tire inflation, how they've got that done up there. It is. Oh, it's a beautiful green on Scott's truck. I like it. I like it a lot. And the old school bug screen. Like, this is kinda awesome. I love that. I really do. This truck looks so good. But of course we got the new 589. 589 of white spruces, looking good. And of course, W.G. Davis's truck. Now this is legendary blue, and look at it pop. Like, wow, that looks so good. So good. I love it. But yeah, just taking a stroll through all the trucks. We slept in the motorhome last night, sold some t-shirts. Thank you to anyone that supported the channel with the purchase of a t-shirt or a hoodie. You know what, maybe we'll start up Shopify again if all goes well, and get some more t-shirt ideas. But you know, for a small town of Prince George, we sure have some awful nice trucks come to town. Now, if you guys have left, because there is a show and shine, car show and shine in Quesnel, so Quesnel guys went for that. The old 58 Mac, that's a beauty. This is just a beauty, just like these suckers. 25th anniversary, good gravy. They did a beautiful job on these ones. Yep, brought them back from the brink of death. I just realized it has red hubs. I wonder if it's supposed to have red hubs, or if that's just a... Who am I kidding? That's just a thing. I'm pretty sure they didn't come with red hubs, but that's cool, because, you know, I like red. But this paint is just on point. I mean, look at it. I mean, just look at it. It's pretty nice. It's probably actually a nicer paint job than when they were brand new, to tell you the truth. But gorgeous, gorgeous trucks. Here's a logger. Is that a decal? Yeah, those are actually decals. Crazy, eh? It's amazing what kind of a job you can do with just some decals. Big wide mud flaps for hauling logs. But this old Freightliner, it's got a 12.7 liter Detroit in it as well. She pumps the black smoke. Sounds pretty cool too. This is just a brand new W900 logger. So really kind of a cool color. Ryan Colville's new truck. But yeah, this old freight shaker, she's not too shabby. Not too shabby. It's kind of nice to see people with the pride in their ride, so to speak. So got a couple of Twin Rivers trucks here. New T880 with a car seat. Arctic slider on it. How don't they do their fenders? Those look not bad. They look like they might actually stick around for a while. It's always hard to get those to not get rattled off the truck. So got George Brown's old trucks. Can see them a bit better now in the daylight. And yeah, see, this is cool. George put a air-to-air on here, and you can't really quite see it behind or in front of, well, I guess he kind of made a grill there, but it's got an N14 in it. How cool is that? Actually, so does this one here. There's two of them. You got the gravel truck and the logging truck. This one's the steel flat roof LW, and this one's got the fiberglass rounded roof LW. But George says that I should put an N14 in my Cabover because it's not that hard to do. So we might just do that, you know that? It's pretty cool, these old trucks. Is it yellow underneath? I think so. I think so. What's really cool about these is the fact that he actually works them. Check this out. That's just a driving light cover. Oh, it's air operated. I guess I probably shouldn't have pulled that up, but that's super cool. Oh, you can see that one's up. Very cool. Ingenuitive, if I do say. Yeah. Oh, and there's a new star, newer star. What do you think of the new stars? I don't really care for them, to tell you the truth. Nor do I care for the 880s, but it's just me. But they have visors now. I don't think they had visors before. But yeah, there you go. We got Chemo's Pete gravel truck. This truck has over 1 million kilometers on it, and yeah, he's had this one for a while, which is kind of cool, really cool. And we got another, this isn't, I was gonna say it's a JF truck, but it's one that was up at Inland Kenworth, so I don't know whose it is or what the story is. I know the stacks are over 13.6 high because the detail guy was telling me, because it hit his door going in, and his door is 13.6, so he wasn't very happy about that. But yeah, it's kind of cool. It's got the old school flat glass on the cab and the sleeper with the boot. No do to boot it. But yeah, and you can see we lost well, we lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 6 trucks yesterday, the Quinnell guys, and oh, and the tan Cabover. Yeah, we lost the tan Cabover Freightliner. It's pretty cool. I should have done a little better job videoing, because he made seats to go behind the driver's seats for his kids, and which is pretty cool. convert the bunk into having seats. So this is cool. The only red JF truck, the only all red JF truck. Then we got Michael Woodford's 389 or 379. It's 2007, so it's got a little bit of cab corrosion on it though. So
Morning, Mike.
that needs to be fixed. Good morning. That's Brad, him and Megan put this on, and shout out to them for doing this, because it's one of those thankless things that you know, the organizers just don't get enough credit, I think. And if it wasn't for them, there wouldn't be a little truck show and shine. And you know what? If we continue doing it, we'll just get bigger. These trucks are just some work trucks that were brought down, so not even sure why they're here other than maybe to advertise, but these should be left at the back, and Ian and Cole's truck should be in front. But at the end of the day, if someone wants to bring their truck down, it's okay. It's just, yeah, I can see why at a big show they don't allow some trucks that aren't, you know, up to snuff. But you know, because anyways, you know, you can go to the Husky and see those, go to the truck stop. But this is Sandlin's 367. She's a beauty. She's just a beauty. I sold this one. Cole's driving it, and yeah, just awesome. Tri-drive logger. We put the Mini Hero watermelons on there. That's super cool. Super cool. And then of course we've got Ian Wallen's Miss Daisy. So I actually sold Ian this truck as well. She's a beaut. I think I did a video once showing the interior. No, maybe it was a reel or a TikTok. No, I think it was a reel. But the interior on this one's all chromed out, as well as under the hood. But yeah, she's just a pretty truck, and it works. He works, this bad boy. I would actually like to find an old van trailer with the stainless like this, because I think it's cool. I don't know what I would do with it, but I just think it's cool. So got a couple of crane trucks over there, got a low bed there with some equipment on it. Shout out to Pagera Speedway for letting us use the track for the show and shine. It's pretty awesome, to tell you the truth. So it's just what we need more of in this town. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't know how many people are gonna come today, but I'm gonna sell a few more t-shirts hopefully, and then we'll go home, and fingers crossed Kenny makes it home, because if he doesn't, well, that could be a tow bill. I think it'll make it home. It's just gonna make a big mess of oil. So what do you do? Oh, I know what you do. You stretch it out and put new rear diffs underneath it. So anyways, guys, take care. Thanks for watching.